start, everybody. So I'm excited to have our first Learn Profile Assembly on Open-Minded. We're going to celebrate some awards. We had some drumming at the beginning. If you like the drumming, you'll get a chance to play drums yourself. We'll talk, okay? We'll talk. Let's begin. You ready?
Good morning, APS. Good morning, let's try that again. Good morning, APS. Good morning, that was so much better. Welcome to your Learner Profile Assembly. Today we are celebrating open-mindedness. Okay? And we're going to start by celebrating our birthdays from August and September. So, Laura?
Alright, everybody, let's sing happy birthday for everyone whose birthday was this month. Ready? And last one. Alright? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Listen, respect people's opinion.
I am being open-minded by trying new foods. Before moving to Thailand, I thought I wouldn't like spicy food. But now I know that I like it because I tried so many Thai dishes that are spicy. Now I know that I really liked spicy food. Especially tom yum is my favorite.
You can be open-minded by listening to other people and thinking of how other people feel. You can also explore other cultures and be open-minded.
I'm open-minded when others suggest things for me to try, and I try them out, like new foods or their favorite book or different activities.
Learn about other cultures.
Here, I am an open-minded person because I love learning from other people. I think it is fascinating to see how people think differently. And I think, personally, having an open mind is cool.
Because I like to learn things about others, that way I can be more talented. Listen to others.
We are celebrating those students who are open-minded. And you have seen that open-minded means that you are willing to try new things, that you respect other people's opinion, that you listen to others. Do you do those things in your classroom every day? Can you show me your hand up if you listen to your friends in your class? Do you listen to your friends?
I like tiny spicy food.
Oh, you like spicy food. I like spicy. I don't like sweet. Today we are celebrating. We're celebrating the students who have demonstrated that they are very open-minded.
In grade 1-1, we have Michelle. She continues to try different solutions when something isn't going as planned, and she makes great suggestions to others. She also reconsiders her choices until it's a good choice for herself. In grade 1-2, we have Yao Yao. Yao Yao is a new student to our school and has started G1 with an open and very positive attitude. She enjoys participating in Zoom meetings and tries her best to share while listening to her new friends. In PE, we have Rachel from grade 2. During DL, Rachel attended all Zoom classes with enthusiasm and energy and completed all seesaw activities. She always gives forth her best and has a positive attitude. She demonstrates the attributes of an open-minded learner in PE. Class, we have Fuji from grade 2. Why Fuji has been active and responsive during the class on Zoom. She has also been open-minded to try the new activities and assignments.